What's up guys, Random Racer here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we are going to check out the Nomad rugged tri-folio case for the iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So folio cases are nothing new. Nomad makes them as well as a number of other brands. But for those of you who are in the market for something that offers more storage for your credit cards, debit cards, gift cards, and whatever else you may carry, the tri-folio case from Nomad might be an alternative choice. So the case comes in your traditional Nomad packaging. You can see here this is the brown/tan color. And like many Nomad cases, this is made from Horween leather, which is a very high quality vegetable tan leather that develops a patina effect over time that gives this case its luxury look. So here is a closer look at this case here. It's called the tri-folio for a reason. You have not one but three different flaps, storage here, as well as a bit of storage here. Alright, so let's install the iPhone in here first. Again, you should go button side first, and everything just pops into place. Alright, so take a quick overview of this case. First off, it is wireless charging compatible. Here's a wireless charger. We'll put the phone in. You can see here it starts charging. So first off, because this is a wallet style case, and not only that, a tri-folio case, it's going to add a bit of bulk to your phone, particularly with the top flap. That being said, with a case like this, you likely won't be needing to carry another thing like this. So first off, let's take a quick look at the tri-folio wallet so I can show you guys what it kind of looks like with some cash and cards in here. The entire front portion is all leather with stitching that goes all the way around the edges. Flipping this open, we have our first compartment, which is a single large compartment, great for bills or whatever else that may fit in there. Opening this up again, we have two more compartments, another large compartment for bills and such, and then another compartment here that can fit up to 4 cards. The entire interior is lined with this microfiber soft material. You have the Nomad logo engraved on the bottom, and all this is connected to the case portion, which thankfully is uncompromised. Taking a look at the case portion, it's pretty much identical to the leather rugged case that I showed you guys in my last video. You have TPU rubberized borders, covers for the power button, volume rockers, and of course a small little cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. Thankfully, Nomad did make it easy to fold the flap all the way to the back, so it's a little bit more easier to use your phone. On the back, you have 3 individual cutouts for the stereo speakers and mic. And finally, on the back, you have a precise cutout for the dual camera and flash, and the entire back is lined with the vegetable tan Horween leather. So overall guys, this is definitely one of the more unique wallet style folio cases I reviewed so far. Normally they just have like one flap on them, but because this has an additional one, it definitely makes this more of a practical wallet replacement. I do like how the case bar is so full-fledged iPhone case, so nothing is compromised there with protection nor features. All this coupled with a full-fledged expandable folio flap. For those of you wondering about that patina effect I was talking about with Nomad's Horween leather, if you missed my other Nomad leather review videos, basically a patina effect means this leather will eventually, over time, wear and tear, turn into something like this, develop this wear and tear look with this nice sheen to it. In regards to any cons or things I don't like about this case, the one obvious con is the fact that this wallet case does add a bit of bulk to the iPhone. You can see how slim the actual case portion is, which is doubled by the actual wallet portion. But like I showed you guys earlier, this is a case designed to actually reduce bulk in your pockets, because that means you don't have to carry one of these around. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a wallet case that actually has the ability to replace your entire wallet, you definitely can't go wrong with the Nomad rugged tri-folio case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.